I love it. They're so cute on that thing. Go get it! It's Lucy and Smudgeee. She can climb all the way up to the top on that thing. Climb up the top! Come on, Lucy! Lucy! Come get! Here she goes. Oh wow, they both want to get up there. I love it. They just take a flying leap at that thing. So cute. So cute. Kittens in the bathroom. Playing with each other under the door. That's actually a good way to introduce new cats to each other, is under the door. So cute. She's gonna close the door on herself. It's too funny. Get it! Where is it, Lucy? Get the thingy on the door! Lucy! Lucy! What's this, Lucy? Lucy! What's that? There she goes. Go all the way to the top! Go! Go! And she did it! How cute is that? What is it? Oh, you stupid cat! What was that? You silly thing! Oh, what's that? Go get it! Get it, Lucy! Lucy! What are you doing? What you doing in the bathtub? What you doing, my little one? What you doing up there? You going to take a bath? Huh? Go inside the bathtub. Yes, you're so clever. You're such a clever girl. You're so clever. You're such a clever girl. You're so cute. You're such a clever girl. How cute are they? Oh my gosh, they're just so cute. So there's the cute little kittens for you people. I don't know where she hopes to go. But that's my gorgeous little kittens in the bathroom. Being cute as always. They've gotten so big, I can't believe it. So I just wanted to share with you. Maybe we'll catch you later. Over and out for now.